Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Go, that is Go programming language on Rocky Linux 9 for a single user and multi-user. Okay. So first I am going to show you how to install golang for a single user. Okay. So first let me go. Okay, this is Go 1.20.3 the tar.gzip file I have downloaded from Go website. So let me extract and move to OPT directory. Yes. So I extracted a Go 1.20.3 to /opt directory. Okay, let me rename the folder go-1.20. Okay. So this is the directory structure of Go 1.20. Okay. So let me go to bin directory, contains 2 executable files. Okay. So now what I am going to do, I am going to add Go bin directory to the bash profile. Okay, that is I am going to add the bin directory to the path variable. Okay, export path equal to $path opt go 1.20/bin. Okay, save it. So note down the syntax. Okay, now let me open the terminal. Source dot bash underscore profile. So the source command will load the latest settings in the bash profile. Now let me run the Go commands. So Go version showing Go 1.20.3. Now I will run one example. So many examples are there. Let me run reverse string.go. So this is the source code for reverse string.go. Let me run this Go program. Go run reverse.go. Yes, I can able to run the Go program. So Golang installation for Golang 1.20 installation for single user in Rocky Linux is successful. Now I am going to show you how to install for multi-user, that is all the users can use Golang. Okay, so here 2 users are there. As of now only current user called Ramanathan only can use the Golang. So what I am going to do, I am going to delete this entry in bash profile. So bash profile is for single user, that is current user only. Okay. So now I am going to add this deleted line to one common location. So that all users can run the Go 1.20 commands. Okay. So cd/etc/profile.d. So here I am creating one shell script file and pasting this line. Okay. Save it. So golang.sh is the name of that shell script file. Okay. So what will happen during the startup of operating system, during the startup of session, user session, this golang.sh will be called. Okay. Okay, I am logging off current user. Now I am going to log in. Okay. Yes, user Ramanathan able to run the Go program. Okay. Now once again I am logging off. Okay, so Another user called Java Farm. It's going to try the Go programming language. Yes. So another user called Java Farm also able to execute the Go programs. So Golang 1.20 installation on Rocky Linux 9 is successful.